go check out the bathroom and see how it looks. Hello, apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
Oh, this looks like a spaceship in here. Wow. Alright guys, so this is the bathroom. Yo, this thing is like a spaceship. Like here, you can like press these buttons. I don't know what this one looks like. Oh, it's like the bidet. Yeah. But yeah, this is like inside the luxury cabin. It's nice. It's gold like type faucet right here. Wow, it's nice. Oh, there we go. Outside on the tracks. Dude's walking out there on the tracks. Alright, so time for the main course meal. Hello, apa kabar? Bagus.
Baik.
Bagas.
Baik, terima kasih. Baik Bapak saya.
Oh, so what do we have today?
Your main course.
Alright, let's go. Ayo pergi. Oh, okay. Whoa. In a tray. Alright. Cool. Thanks, bagus. Bagas.
This is your main course.
Alright, main course.
Soto Padang.
Oh, it's Soto Padang. Oh, so what's in it? Like a rendang? Rendang is in it?
No, rendang, but beef.
Oh, beef daging.
Yes,
Okay,
this
okay.
Soto Padang is quite nice.
Oh, let's go. Rendang is the number one, and I eat the rendang every day. But this is Soto Padang, which I have never tried in my life. So let's try it. All right, so let's try this sweet potato. Try the sweet potato. All right, sweet potato. Yo, this is actually good. You know, on trains I'm very like hesitant to eat the food, but this is really good. I guess because it's like the luxury class, like they want it to be good. So it's really good, guys. This is incredible. Yo, the meat is so hard. Alright, so the meat is like 5 out of 10. But the soup and the noodles and everything else is like a 8 out of 10. So I'll give this like a 6.5 out of 10. Yeah, so the guy just brought me the Arabic coffee here and a little cookie thing.